Patients come in and ask us what we're doing with this bowling ball on a stick. And the reason why we have it is this bowling ball weighs about 7 pounds. That's the average amount of weight on a human head, okay? And so when I'm holding it like this, it's pretty easy, but when it comes farther forward, it's tougher and tougher, okay? So hopefully I can do this, okay? What happens is I can balance this just like this, okay, with a lot of grunting, okay? But if the head comes forward like this, I have a tough time holding that. And that's what happens to the muscles in the top of your back and in your neck. The farther your head goes forward, the more those muscles work. Okay, that causes tension headaches, it causes neck pain, it can create shoulder problems, it can create upper and mid back problems. So don't forget, posture is a real important thing. Okay, the more that your head goes forward on your torso, the more symptoms you're going to have in your head and your neck.